really quick. Check this out. So Nano Nuclear, we've been waiting for this for a minute. It is absolutely ripping. It's exploding. This is one of the 10 baggers that we talked about. Potential 10 baggers, market cap sitting at 2.3 billion, easily moves to about 20 billion market cap. Maybe it's a little less than a 10 bagger now, but it has that kind of potential, right? So we're breaking new all-time highs. We've been consolidating for the entire year. This is a 12-month consolidation. If we go back to the recent low, right, we're really been consolidating, you could say, for 2 years or 18 months, right? 16 months. So long consolidation. We're just starting to break out. How do you trade this? How would I actually look at this? We have accelerating momentum on both edges. I wouldn't want to really enter position at this point. You can if you're far out. But what you really want to look for here, let's look at the weekly chart, doing some technicals. Nano Nuclear. Now, what is this stock really quick? Just quick thesis. Nano Nuclear, right? Let's see if there's any new news on it. Nano Nuclear is one of those power component nuclear stocks that's going to be powering and generating electricity for data centers and all power grids, all that stuff. So there's 3 big nuclear stocks that I've been looking at. You have Okla, way overbought, right? This thing is overdone. I just wouldn't chase it. I've been watching. I wouldn't chase Okla at this point. Not that the valuation is so bad. It's at a 20 billion market cap. Can it continue? Yes. But is it the best risk reward? I don't think so. SMR looks actually a lot better on the weekly chart. Let's go ahead and throw out. Look at, we're not overbought. It's still consolidating. I like SMR. It's something I would want to see, but this market cap is 12 billion, right? Okla's at 14 billion. Thanks for, I'm already up 20%. Congratulations, Hassan. Look at, we got somebody in the chat. Hassan just joined the Discord. I've known Hassan for a while and, been a couple years now. So he can attest to all the big moves that we've had, right? He has, by the way, he's had Chainlink since $5, right? He's had one of the $5-6, who knows? Where'd you get Chainlink at, Hassan? Where did you first get Chainlink at, right? So going back to SMR, right? SMR starting to accelerate, but you have Oklo at 20 billion market cap, okay? You have SMR at 12 billion, and you have, oh shoot, where is it? Nano Nuclear sitting at a 2.3 billion market cap. I'm pissed off that I missed it this morning, right? I should have been on top of this. I made a mistake. I'm still exposed to it. I have exposure, but I was like, let's wait to see if we pull back. We're breaking all-time highs. It might not flip down. I might have to buy another contract. I really don't want to chase it, but I might have to buy another contract literally in the next, before the stream ends, before before the close. All right, but that's a beautiful chart, just absolutely ripping. Now look, this one, this is one of the top 10 baggers. I'm almost guaranteeing, right? Well, let's not say guarantee. I give it a 90% chance, 95% chance. I have high conviction this stock is a 10 bagger, right? It's a 10 bagger. They're going to have to, we're not going to talk about it. So this is a 10 bagger stock. Technicals look great. What do you want to see really going into it? Let's go to 30-minute chart. What I want to see, we have some support here at 50. I want to see a pullback. If we get this tomorrow or later in the week to 50 is one of those, numbers. 50 is a psychological level. If we can come back to 50, what is this? Oh, this is all-time highs, right? If we can come back to somewhere around here, let's make that a little thicker, then I'm definitely going to add to my position. So somewhere in this box between 50 and 52, where it's showing a little bit of support today, that's what I want to see if I'm going to enter this back up. You can chase it, go ahead and chase it, but you better have a contract that's a little further out. This is the zone I want to see for Nano Nuclear. I want to see some support or a pullback here. The market is running. There's a lot of really good macro backdrops, right? So yes, it is expanding, but it looks really good. This is, one of the best setups I want to see. The fact that it's breaking a 12-month, we're looking at Nano Nuclear. What did we say before? Like $200? Let's see. Oh, I'm tripping. What am I doing? Let's pull this back. So we're looking at a $68, probably runs to 70. I actually have $70 calls. If you guys want to see those call options, go ahead and join the Discord. I'll have it in the link, or just comment. I'll throw it on the chat, and you can see some of the contracts we're throwing out there. Nobody's walking you through, or nobody's holding your hand, but you can ask questions and stuff like that. So longer term, right? I'm really playing this till 2027, and I might even flip into 2028 calls. But longer term, I think this runs to 100 easily. And I said it's a 10 bagger, right? So we're looking at $500. But right, it's such a these are going to be so good to trade with options. I think it burns out around 100 and then it pulls back to like 70, 75, maybe pulls all the way back to 50 if you have a nasty correction in the macro if inflation accelerates, right? But this is an inflationary hedge stock because it's literally benefiting from electricity cost accelerating. So I wouldn't even be worried about this. This is why I'm long as hell. All right.